We absolutely brought it today. The fire was burning.
Man, they give you the juice. It's not just a bunch of you can do it rah-rah stuff. You're getting the real secrets from the people who have done it, not people who read a book about it. I mean, these are the people who wrote the book about it.
Josh Altman, Frank McKinney, a panel of superstar expert luxury agents here in the DFW area.
Open houses are the greatest form of hot leads that you will ever find in this business.
The balance of the keynote speakers was so incredibly good. A balance between heart and strategy, and this incredible sense of information that would feed every single real estate agent the absolute gems of lifetimes of experience making millions and millions of dollars in the luxury market.
It's never the actual taking of the risk where you feel afraid. It's as you're thinking about stepping up your game in this luxury real estate market, starting your own company, leaving the one you're with, whatever it is, it's the thought of taking a risk.
The fear of loss really kicks in, and they're just like, you know what, I don't even want to risk competing and losing it at auction. I'm going to make a pre-auction offer.
Do I think the agents got the value that they were expecting when they showed up here this morning? Oh, absolutely. In fact, many of them told me they did. They came, they stayed, they enjoyed, they learned so much, and they made so many wonderful contacts. It was priceless, really, truly. I can hardly wait till the next one. Can we do it tomorrow?
You got to come to the next one, because I'll be back and I'll be sharing the secrets.
I'll see you either at the top or from the top.